Good morning, everyone. I have some very exciting news for our family today.
I think they're going to love this surprise.
Yeah, I'm so curious.
Let's pack our bags and get ready for a wonderful adventure together.
I'm bringing my toy. This vacation is going to be amazing. I'll pack my clothes in my little bag too.
Don't forget your smiles. We'll need those the most.
Look at those big mountains. Wow.
Every journey feels special when we travel together.
I love road trips with you all. They make my heart so happy.
Every journey feels special when we travel together.
Wow, this place is so beautiful. I want to run and explore everything.
Let's take a moment and enjoy this lovely view.
This is our time to relax, laugh, and make memories.
Look at my kite. It's flying so high. I'm building something really special. This was the best vacation ever. Can we go again someday?
Of course we can. Our memories will stay with us forever.
Family is the greatest adventure of all.